Lincoln unveiled a redesigned version of its Nautilus SUV, which it says will have the largest display screen of any competitor and a selection of built-in scents to create a more relaxing atmosphere. But perhaps the most notable change is where the car will be manufactured. The new model will be imported to the United States from China when it goes on sale here early next year. Lincoln is Ford's luxury brand, and currently the Nautilus is built for the North American market in Ford's factory in Ontario, Canada. But Ford plans to shift that plant to produce electric vehicles and EV battery packs starting in 2025. The third-generation Nautilus rides on a modified version of the C2 platform. It is bigger, 3.2 inches longer, and a wheelbase that grew by 2.0 inches, 1 inches wider, and 2.0 inches taller. This midsize SUV showed an improved look for the front fascia, which resembled the one installed on its bigger brother, the Navigator. It boasted a broad black grille adorned by a crosshair-style trim and flanked by slim LED headlights. They were underlined by a light strip that crossed the car from side to side. On the profile, the SUV stance was unmistakable and emphasized even more by the two-tone bodywork available as an option. At the back, the slightly tilted forward tailgate adorned by a roof spoiler resembles some luxurious British SUVs. For the 2024 model, the interior of the Nautilus gets some major updates with a reimagined design. The SUV comes with ample interior space and some appealing features. Ambient lighting flowing throughout the vehicle brings a sense of sunlight reflecting on water inside the vehicle. The luxury vehicle is sure to provide an entertaining riding experience. The vehicle's display will be the largest one yet in its class. Combined with an 11.1-inch center-stack touchscreen, drivers can use all the infotainment features conveniently. The perfect position screen ensures drivers can focus on the road ahead while availing the benefits of the infotainment system. The system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which can be accessed through wireless connectivity. Furthermore, the Revel Ultima 3D audio system with 28 speakers provides a concert-like experience to all occupants. The new model also offers an advanced driver assistance system and hands-free highway driving feature, giving drivers extra comfort on the road. Under the hood of every Nautilus is a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine. For non-hybrids, that spells 250 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque bolted to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The hybrid's turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 gets help from a 100 kilowatt electric motor for a total output of 310 horsepower. The hybrid works with a continuously variable transmission. Both powertrains connect to all-wheel drive. In the US, the 2024 Nautilus will be available in Premier, Reserve and Black Label trims. The entry price is respectable $50,415 for the Premier, $54,750 for the Reserve, and a huge jump for the Black Label at $74,465.